Hello, I have a haul from Heidi Swapp. It did come in when I was away, so I did stamp and cut out the dies for you, and she did put this in her box. It says never miss a memory, and you could join her Stop the Blur monthly planner kit. Is a monthly subscription, and that is the website. And this is her card in the back. And so I did order in my kits because you could get free shipping when you order, and she does give you the choice of below what you could put in your cart, and it's free shipping. So I did pick up some of the Studio Calico, the 4x6 stamp sleeves. I was running low on them, so I picked that one up, and I picked up the 6x8, and you do get 8 each in each packet. Then I picked up for the kit, she had these little booklets with acetate holders, and they do come with stickers in them. And these stickers right here. So you get 5. You could use that one or the circle. And then it has like this plastic one. Yeah. And it comes 2 in each one. 2 little booklets with the plastic. And it's ready for you to stick it on your project or your monthly project. So, and you could put pictures inside of them. And they are stitched, and it's very hard. So you could put the sticker either here on the plastic or on the book. So it comes with 2 in each packet. So this one is that one, and then this one is a yellow. The paper inside, and both of them do come already that you could put them in your notebook. So that's that one, and then the next one is different. These are the stickers that come, different colors, and these are the little booklets. This one is like a light peach color, and then this one is a ledger book, and the front and back of it, and again same papers inside. And then the last one is these 2. And these have only black, and this one has a white one, and the craft one. So those are from that one. Then I did pick up this die. This die number is T15316. It's a larger envelope, as you can see. I cut it out for you. And I did use double-sided cardstock, and this cardstock, Gina Loves Craft, she gifted to me not so long ago. So that's the envelope. You could leave it open, you could put it in your planner, you could use this in your craft, and it's cute size. Then I did pick up another one. It's this one right here. This one is T15318. That's the die. And it cuts out like this. And So that's how you would cut it out. And you can fold it over also. And then the last one, the last die, is T15317, and it's a smaller envelope than this one, as you can see. It's not half, but a couple of inches smaller. And this one cuts out like that. And this one is like that. And now for the stamp of the month. The stamp of the month is this one right here. And so this one says, "Hello sunshine, happiness looks gorgeous on you. Choose kindness and laugh a lot, and keep on keeping on. Daring adventure, and don't be like the rest of them, darling." So I just stamp it out so that you can see it stamped out. So thankful for today. Focus on the good, just not everything. You can do anything, just not everything. And then this one says, "Be the light," Matthew 5:14. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all. And then the little stars here and there. So I usually put this in the back so that I could see how it stamps. So that's how I store my stamps. And then the blur kit comes like this. And this is what you get inside this pouch. She does give you the Tell Your Story, Heidi Swapp. And then the stamp has this. And it says, "Wow, bye, wow, cute, boom, gasp, ugh, yikes, okay, yay, hi, ouch," and some other words, and some heart, stars, and then a question mark. So I usually keep this in the back. But I have to cut that out so that it can fit in the back. And then what you get in this collection, you get the button that she makes, and this one says "Boo Bye." So I'm gonna put that in my little apron. And then you get some washi tape. Happening, it says there. Seriously, hello, and reminder, coming soon. And then some flags in different colors. Let me open it for you. So you get some greens, some yellows. You get 3 different greens. Some yellow, some peach, and an orange. So you get 6. You get this little pad here. It says, the top one says "Coming soon." The other one says "Reminder," and this one says "Happening." So that's cute. Then you get some, I guess, cardstock. Is it cardstock or some die sets, cut out die sets, some card die sets with acetate. I mean with what is that called? This one is a tape recorder. It's a tape cassette, not recorder. You could write your little message in the back. This one is a camera, a pair of scissors, a car, a coffee mug, some glasses, and the peace sign. could even use the envelopes for something else. You could cut out a card and stick it in and put this as your design, or embellish it with the cardstock. And then some stickers, 2 sheets, different types of stickers, and then some words, and also some, you could do your own, you could stamp your own on these, and you get 2 of them. And then your outfits. Lowercase and the alpha. So you get 2. And then I did pick up this stamp on my extras. So this stamp I did pick up. And this one is called, it doesn't really show, it got like rubbed off. Yeah, it did get rubbed off. Sorry, but that's the, see how it got rubbed off? So I can't tell you the stamp name, but that's how that looks. It's blooming just because spring, and these are all the flowers you could stamp in different colors. And then you could even put the envelope on her hand, or even a bouquet on her hand, and you could make the flowers come out. She does have designs on how she did this, and she does have the flowers coming out of the typewriter, the boots, and the envelope, and out of the person's hand. So it says here spring just because, blooming, and then the rest is flowers. So that is it for what I picked up for my card kit of the month, and my Stop the Blur kit, and then my extras that I picked up from Heidi Swapp. Stay tuned for my Amazon, Michaels, and Walmart haul. As always, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. If you have any questions, please leave it down below, and would love to have you subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.